A tip on pizza dough. Now, making pizza dough is a skill. A skill is something that you continue to do until you've mastered it. And you never stop mastering cooking, because cooking is just a process, because life changes, products change, ingredients change, the environment changes. We're always going and learning. So don't think, oh, I've done it, it didn't turn out that way. Because first of all, an ingredient is a base to start from. And then you slowly learn that base. It's like learning a secret. And then you find out, hang on a minute, I'm going to try and venture out with my cooking. It's everything in life. You know, you just look at it and you think, oh, I'm going to try this and see what that goes with it. And that's learning the skill. I was brought up in pizza dough. My father had restaurants. My husband is an artisan baker. I've spent my whole entire life working with flour and dough. Now I'm venturing in different types of flour, which is really exciting because I'm going to territories that I've never did. And so, you know, in Sicily, we have the Turina. Turina, I think it's called. Pasta, which is an integrale pasta. Look, Turina, Tumania. I knew it. Tumania. Tummenia. It is an ancient grain. I mean ancient, like spelt. An ancient grain. Now, they're making stuff which is like phenomenal. And you've got to learn. You've got to learn how to work with it, because not every ingredient is the same. So don't be discouraged when you're making your first pizza dough and you think, it didn't turn out. Keep going at it. Learn the skill. Learn it. Incorporate it into your life. Because you know what? You will make fantastic pizzas at home for yourself. And these ones you can heat up for about 3-4 days and they remain their texture. You're not putting rubbish into it. You're putting real ingredients. So keep up the good work. Keep it up and you won't be discouraged, because it's like learning a new muscle and new weights, new lifting, and you keep it up and all of a sudden you think, I'm getting really good here. And that's what it's like, cooking, learning the skill, and then you can master it. Never lose faith in yourself, faith in what you want to do. My mum used to say, dove c'è volontà c'è tutto. Where there's a will, there's a way. There's another ancient Sicilian saying, chi va piano va lontano. He who goes slow goes a long way.